Hi guys, welcome back to PokeClashBros, where today we're opening some quick packs of Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. And seeing who gets the best pull in which pack.
I'll go first this video. Code card.
Here's my code card as well.
Fighting Energy, Psychic Memory, Larion, Fighting Memory, Chimichow, Carablast, Swablu, Punkapu, Execute, Reverse Hollow Ghastly. Oh, and another good pull.
A Kartana GX.
Yes,
Oh,
that's a nice pull.
that's a nice pull. Sleeve it up. Where's the sleeves there for? Sleeve it up. So here we go. Let's start with mine. With a Fairy Energy, Staravia, a Lowland Graveler, Mawile, Mincino, Corfish, Shellos, Dino, a Lowland Geodude, a Reverse Counter Energy, and a High Lego GX.
It's that Pokemon again. What we did.
Is that a full art? That's a full art in there.
Yeah. That's nice.
That's a nice. God, that's two nice pulls in this one video. Where's yours? There. Katana GX. And struggle to say this Pokemon's name, but there you go. Two amazing pulls for you guys today in today's videos. So yeah, thanks guys for watching the video, and yeah, make sure to check out our other videos out in the top left or the top right. Please hit the subscribe button, it'd be great support to us. Make sure to leave a comment down below on what your favourite set is, or what your favourite card is out of this set. And yeah guys, thanks for watching, see you next time.